Hi guys, welcome back to another one of our how-to videos. My name is Mariah, lead fabricator for the Party Thieves, and today we are going to learn how to double stuff a balloon. It's actually super easy. It's a great way to create custom colors. It's also a great way to, if you need to use kind of like last minute balloons that maybe aren't the best quality, if you double stuff them, they're gonna look 100 times better. So, what you're gonna need is 2 balloons. Today we're gonna be doing a red inside of a white. And then you're going to need some sort of dowel. So honestly, you can get these pretty much anywhere. This is literally a kebab stick that I just happen to have. Obviously don't use the pointy end. We're gonna use the flat end. We're going to take the balloon that we're gonna be putting on the inside, which is our red, put it on the dowel. I will say probably a little bit thicker of a dowel than this kebab stick would probably work better, but it does the trick for now. We're gonna take our white and we're literally just gonna put it inside, just like that. It slides right on. And then have your double stuffed balloon. Easy.